Hello, I'm Stan Smith, the founder of workwithstansmith.com, and I'm sitting here in a conference room here at work after hours, and I see, okay, build. I'm trying to build my business to be bigger. I do not want to lose any of the parts of our business, but I do want to build it, and if this is an internet marketing team that I'm building that we, based on the traffic we send to our sales force, we match up people to the types of products and services we offer. And we send it to our sales team who works with them to understand what their needs are and to then make them an offer of buying our products or services, and we get the commissions, and our commissions are pretty good. They're up to 1,000, and we get 3,000, 4,000, or 5,000, $10,000 in commissions for the products and services that are sold for us to our customers. So if you want to join my team and so we can continue to build, please click on the link below, and I look forward to working with you.